Circle of winners, yeah. Couldn't get a win. Little circle of winners. You know them good fellas. Hardcore lounging, how they found him. Yeah. But only real niggas, bad bitches, smoke clouds around him. And they ain't really ever know about him or what he be doing. Super fly guy, sit back, blaze hot, teach you the ways of the samurai. I'm with my Hirachis fly stepping, teaching about the set and how we reppin'. That left hand, put the pinky up, like drinking from a social club cup. That's for a lavish living. Same hand at the middle finger for thug life. Yeah, you doing it right. Third, put the thumbs up because we A-OK, that's alright. The 3 points are winning on the left and Texas on the right. Classes in session, schooling cats how to rap is something like my profession. What can you say? Ain't no second guessing, cause my word is bond, and that bond is good as gold. I told them cats roll with us, but now they getting rolled over. Blame the #1 bag holder, and I'm still the grower. Should've told you from the start, I was too bad to be my mom's son, so it's only right I became a star. Girls from out of town pointing like, hey, I know who you are. What I define as the worst is how niggas give me play at first, and now they wanna do that, asking for a verse. I'm sorry, but I put my feelings for non-believers in a hearse. I know it sounds a little self-centered, but when I was left in the cold dead of winter, you didn't offer coke or a hot dinner. Left to sink afloat with the wolves, and now since I got a boat and a couple coats of finer fur, you trying to assure everybody that you stayed in my square. Please, I did roll calling everybody here. You ain't about to sit, you just trying to get your name wet in my pool. Check it, I do a victory lap and dry off on you. Oh, towel ass nigga, wanted a foul ass nigga. Big eyes looking old, owl ass nigga. Tell your bitch come here with a round ass nigga. We the island, the real, you surround us nigga. But let me get back to my ways. Cool, calm, content by the blaze. Trying to win the game, done thought of many ways. And I wanna thank you, Jammin' Frankie, Beverly, and Maze, as we blowin' haze. Yeah. Hardcore lounging, how they found him. We're from public housing. Look on the song. Hardcore lounging, how they found him. Loft lounging, Section 8.